there, YouTube friends and fellow home improvement enthusiasts. Today I'm going to change this light fixture I have right here. We're going to get to it right now. There's the light fixture that I picked up from Home Depot. It costs 50 bucks, and if you're interested, you could check it out online. The model name is actually Halophane. Doesn't say it on the box, but if you're interested in this particular light fixture, go to Home Depot and check out Halophane. I did have to rent the ladder for Home Depot, but it was only 20 bucks. Well worth it, make my life easier. If you have a standard 8-foot ceiling, you could probably get away with a 6-foot ladder. But I rented this. If you need a tool rental, Home Depot is a good place to go. So now I'm just going to cut the power to the light and we're going to get to hanging it. All right, first thing we're going to do is shut the power off by throwing the breaker. This is a relatively simple job. Most anybody can do it. Just need some basic skills. And now that the power's off, I'm going to get to taking the old light fixture down.
Alright, so this old light fixture just unscrews like that. And now that I got the plate off, I'm just going to loosen this so I can drop it down. Alright, now I'm just going to take the wire nuts off. And now the old light fixture is gone. Okay, I got to be careful when I unbox this because there's glass shades in it. They got it packed up real good. There's the instructions, and everything looks good so far. Packed it up real well. All the shades. And what I'll do is I'm going to take the shades and put them on the side because I don't want to damage them. Here's a good look at the light fixture while I have it down. You can see it has some oil rubbed bronze detail going around the fixture itself. It's kind of like almost like a black satin finish almost. And the first step that we have to do is we have to take this loop that goes over the cord and we just have to screw it on like this. Just like that. Okay, so now what I got to do is I just got to put the bottom cover on. We do that by taking the screw, screwing it in like that. You take the cover, put it over the top. And just screw it on, just like that. Alright, now I'm going to put the glass shades on, and we do that by first unscrewing the socket ring. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is they have this decorative plate over here. So this is just going to go like this, just like that. Put the socket ring back on and just screw it in, just like that. And basically, when you hang it and turn it upside down, that ring is just going to rest on the light like that. So it's not fixed or anything, it's just going to float there. Right on the lip of the shade. Okay, I just wanted to give you an idea of how much cord comes with the light fixture.
As you can see, you have plenty of cord here. I'm 6'3", just to give you an idea. So we get to hanging it now. Alright, now I'm just going to attach the mounting bracket to the outlet box with a mounting bracket and screws that came with the light fixture. Okay. Alright, now I'm just going to put this screw into the mounting bracket. Just like that. This can be adjusted as we go. Leave it at that for now. Alright. This is the hook that the chain is going to go on. And I'm just going to put that on here for now. I'll make adjustments as I go. Alright, a lot of the trick to this is making minor adjustments as you go. So you know you have everything screwed in as you needed it to be. So I'm just making a couple of minor adjustments. I think that should be good. You don't want to get the light fixture up here and then you find out, well, you know what, that's not going to work. So I just want to make sure that the mounting plate is going to be flush to the ceiling, and that looks good. And I'm going to go ahead now that I got this set, and I'm going to get to hang the light fixture. We have to open the chain links at both ends of the chain. So I'm just going to rip it with a plier. Now I'm going to put a screwdriver in. I'm just going to bend it back like that. Just like that. So now I'm just going to attach a chain to the loop. One end of one plier, use the leg of another. I'm just going to close it up just like that. Okay. Now what I need to do is I need to weave the cord through the chain. A little tedious, but you have to do it. Alright, now I'm just going to do the same thing with ground wire. Just looping it through the chain. This way, when you hang it, everything looks nice and tidy. Alright, now I'm going to slip the canopy ring over the chain and wire. And now I'm going to do the same with the canopy. So canopy ring first, and then the canopy itself. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is with this open link over here, I'm just going to attach it to the hook. Just like that. Okay. Alright, now with the plier, I'm just going to close this chain loop. Okay, at this stage I want to show you what we got going on here. The light fixture is hanging. I have it secured to the hook. If I zoom in here, you can see, I call it a screw, but they call it a nipple. This silver screw right here. The wires get fed up through the screw, and now I'm just going to connect the ground wire to the green screw here,
And I'm just going to make the other electrical connections right there. All right, I have a lot of excess wire here, so I'm just going to cut this ground. And now I'm just going to attach the ground to the ground screw. I'm going to trim some of this excess wire. Alright, now I'm just going to take some of this insulation off. Now there's two wires together that are coming from the light fixture. One's going to be neutral and one's going to be live. Now they're not black and white wires, so to determine which is which, the wire without the writing on it and with the raised rib, you can feel it. I'd like to show it to you, but I can't. But the wire without the writing on it and with the raised rib, that is going to be my neutral, and that goes to the white. So I'm just going to make this connection. Okay, the wire with the writing on it, that's going to be my hot. And I'm going to just make that connection down. Okay. Alright, I always like to wrap my connections with just a little electrical tape. Alright, now that my electrical connections are done, I'm just going to push the wires back up into the box, like that. Alright, now I'm just going to push the canopy to the ceiling. I'm going to take the locking nut, bring it up. And just tighten it to the ceiling. Okay, now we're ready to put some bulbs in. Turn the power on and check it out. Okay, there it is. We're finished. Looks pretty good. It's a little bright. I think I'm going to have to go with dimmer bulbs. These are 60s. I'll probably go down to 40s. I think 40s would be better. Make the lighting more suitable for this area of the house. But a real simple project to do. Costs about 55 bucks total. Got this from Home Depot once again. And as always, I hope you liked the video, and please subscribe. I'll catch you next time. See ya.